Legal Aid Center is the last hope for people trying to navigate the legal system. If you're accused of a crime, you get a public defender, right? There's 800,000 people who qualify for legal aid. It's staggering, the justice gap. It's the hardest part of my job, trying to figure out what clients to help and which clients we can't help because we don't have enough staff or volunteers. I was at a Clark County Bar Association lunch. Paul was in the audience and I was talking about legal aid and our challenges, and he came up to me afterwards and said, "What could I do to make a difference?" And so out of that came the establishment of the Community Justice Fellowship. It's an opportunity for a new law grad, or up to 3 years, under 3 years of experience, to work at Legal Aid Center. We'll pay them the same salary and benefits as a lawyer, and we'll embed them in each one of our different units. In our Consumer Rights Project, our Children's Attorneys Project, our Family Justice Project, helping victims of DV and immigrant victims of violence. And they'll get to see the unmet legal need, pitch in to help, and we would reserve the fellowship for individuals from diverse backgrounds who find our mission their cause.
As a lawyer, I felt that teaming up with Legal Aid Center, this was going to be something really near and dear to my heart. I've represented some of the most sophisticated people, and it's stressful going to court. It's hard enough dealing with the legal system. It's by definition stressful because you never know what's going to happen. Now imagine being someone who's sort of down on your luck, a person with limited resources, having to navigate that system. What legal aid does is it gives people access to justice.
Paul mentioned the fellowship to me, and I was so impressed what the fellowship is about and what you are doing in this particular organization. And as a medical doctor and as a surgeon, taking care of indigent people is an ordinary part of our life. Personally trained at the Los Angeles County Medical Center in Los Angeles, where I learned to become the person that I am today by attending to and caring for and treating surgically patients who would not otherwise have had the resources to obtain the care that they obtained.
Barbara and her energy and the amazing men and women that work here at Legal Aid, the work that they do day in and day out, is absolutely humbling. It's incredible. This is the people's law firm, and what they deliver here is truly access to justice.
My father was a lawyer, and I am today more inspired and impressed with your efforts to continue to be the noble profession that it has always been.
On behalf of myself and my law firm, I am so proud to be a partner with Legal Aid in this fellowship.
Thank you so much. On behalf of Legal Aid Center of Southern Nevada, we'd like to thank Paul Padda and your firm, Dr. Grover. We have some amazing plaques over here that I'd like to present. We're so grateful for you joining this initiative and helping us right wrongs, change lives. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Legal Aid Center of Southern Nevada is honored to partner with Paul Padda Law regarding the Community Justice Fellowship, which supports attorneys who are passionate about making a difference in the lives of the most vulnerable. Through community partnerships, we are righting wrongs and changing lives.
Thank you.